Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create account in League of Legends. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the League of Legends sign up page. Step 2. Enter your details. Fill in your email address, date of birth, and create a username and password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Step 3. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification message from Riot Games. Click on the verification link to confirm your account. Step 4. Download the game. Once your account is verified, download the League of Legends client for Windows or Mac. Install the game on your PC. Step 5. Log in and play. Open the League of Legends client and log in with your new account credentials. Choose your in-game name and start playing. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.